Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to gift pet in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. There are two methods that you can use to gift pet in Grow Garden 2. The first method is dropping the pet. You're going to select your pet that you want to gift, and then you're going to drop it anywhere and ask your friend or as the other player that you want to get your pet to pick it up. If you want to drop, just click on this icon, but on PC you're going to click on the backspace key on your keyboard like this. You're going to drop it and ask your friend to pick it up. And then the second method, you can use the mailbox. You're going to go to your mailbox and then you're going to open it and you're going to choose someone that you want to give your pet to. For instance, I'm going to give this one my dog, so we can select dog and then click on cancel. I'm sorry, not cancel but send. Oh my god, my bad. Yeah, just like that. You can use your mailbox and you can also use the drop feature in Grey Garden 2. Okay guys, and that's how you can gift pet in Grey Garden 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.